Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're planning to step into the world of 3D printing this year, or maybe upgrade your current setup, you're in the right place. The world of 3D printing is moving fast, and 2025 is already shaping up to be a big year. Whether you're printing prototypes, hobby models, cosplay parts, or even production-grade components, having the right printer makes all the difference. But with dozens of new models dropping every month, it's easy to get overwhelmed. That's why I've done the research and narrowed it down to 5 of the best 3D printers available right now in the U.S. These are all top-rated, recently released models from trusted names, no outdated tech, no hype, just real printers delivering real results. In this countdown, I'll walk you through each model's strengths, key features, and who they're perfect for. And yes, I've ranked them from solid picks to absolute game changers. So stick around until the end. My number one choice is an absolute beast, especially if you're ready to print like a pro. New here? I break down the latest gear so you don't waste your time or money. Tap that subscribe button, it really helps the channel and make sure you won't miss future picks. Alright, let's get into it. Starting off with number 5, Creality Ender-3 V3 SE. Starting off the list is the Creality Ender-3 V3 SE, a 3D printer that delivers incredible value for beginners without compromising on print quality. Released in 2024, this machine is the latest evolution in the Ender-3 lineup, and it shows just how far budget-friendly printers have come. Right out of the box, the V3 SE features automatic bed leveling and an upgraded dual Z-axis design for smoother motion and better print stability. That's a huge plus, especially if you're just starting out and don't want to spend hours calibrating. The 32-bit silent mainboard ensures whisper-quiet operation, and Creality's new UI makes the interface more intuitive than ever. Print speed? A solid 180 ms in real-world use, which is impressive for its price. The print volume stands at 220x220x250, making it suitable for a wide range of hobby and light prototyping tasks. One standout feature is its Sprite direct drive extruder, which helps with flexible filaments, something rare in this price range. It also includes dual cooling fans for faster solidification, meaning sharper layers and fewer defects. The Ender-3 V3 SE is made for anyone who wants to dip their toes into 3D printing without blowing the budget. Whether you're a student, a hobbyist, or just someone curious about creating your own models, this is a reliable, high-quality starting point. Bottom line, if you're on a budget but still want a solid, dependable machine that prints great right out of the box, this one's a no-brainer. Number 4, Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. Next up, we've got the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus, a 2024 release that's quickly become a favorite among users who want large format printing with serious speed and stability. Let's start with size. The Neptune 4 Plus offers a massive 320x 385mm build volume, which is perfect for makers printing cosplay parts, architectural models, or multi-piece prototypes. But despite its size, this printer doesn't sacrifice performance. Equipped with Clipper firmware, the Neptune 4 Plus supports blazing fast printing speeds up to 500mm and includes automatic bed leveling via a 121-point mesh. It also boasts a dual-gear direct drive extruder, allowing you to print with a wide variety of filaments, from PLA to TPU to PETG, with reliable precision. The printer includes a PEI magnetic build plate for easy removal, a built-in camera for remote monitoring via the app, and improved cooling systems to handle high-speed prints without stringing or warping. Another big win? It runs quietly. With silent stepper drivers and a well-built chassis, it keeps noise levels surprisingly low for its size. If you're someone who wants a balance between affordability, build size, and next-gen performance, the Neptune 4 Plus is a great pick. It's ideal for intermediate to advanced users looking for more print volume and professional-grade results without paying professional-grade prices. Number 3, Prusa MK4S. Taking the third spot on this list is the Prusa MK4S, a 2024 release that builds on Prusa's legacy of dependable, high-quality 3D printers and adds even more speed, smarts, and sophistication to the mix. Let's talk about what makes this printer stand out. It's powered by a custom 32-bit Prusa firmware and runs on an input shaper and pressure advance algorithm, which translates to significantly faster printing with cleaner corners and fewer vibrations. Real-world speeds of 200 millimeters, Jawan, are not only possible, they're reliable. The MK4S also includes a fully automatic first-layer calibration and continues to use the beloved magnetic PEI spring steel print bed, which makes removing prints an absolute breeze. No more scraping or guessing, just flex and pop. One of the biggest upgrades? The extruder system, featuring a load cell sensor that brings true first-layer perfection to every print. Combined with the improved cooling and better part detection, you can count on consistent results every time, even across long prints or complex geometries. Build volume is 250 x 210 x 220 millimeter, and the open source nature of the MK4S means there's a massive community and ecosystem behind it. Whether you're printing with PLA, ABS, PETG, or even more challenging materials, this printer handles it with confidence. This machine is ideal for anyone from serious hobbyists to small business owners looking for a workhorse that delivers precision without the need for constant tinkering. Bottom line, if you want Prusa's famous reliability with modern enhancements for speed and performance, the MK4S is where old school quality meets new school innovation. Number 2. Creality K2 Plus Combo. In second place is the Creality K2 Plus Combo, a 2025 flagship release that brings together all the latest 3D printing advancements into one sleek, high-performance machine perfect for prosumers, designers, and rapid prototyping enthusiasts. This printer is all about next-level automation and print quality. At the heart of it is a Core XY motion system, which dramatically improves speed and precision. You're looking at consistent prints at up to 600 millimeters. S with input shaping, pressure advance, and active vibration control built in. One of the biggest perks of the K2 Plus combo is its multi-material printing support. Thanks to its AMS Lite system, you can load up to 4 spools and switch colors or materials mid-print, perfect for functional parts, models with color transitions, or even branding. It features a fully enclosed build chamber, keeping temperature stable for high-performance materials like ABS and nylon. The auto bed leveling system is precise and fast, and the flexible PEI magnetic sheet makes part removal effortless. You also get a 7-inch touchscreen, Wi-Fi connectivity, remote print monitoring via Creality Cloud, and seamless firmware updates, all of which make it easier to manage your prints even when you're not in the room. If you're a serious user who wants efficiency, automation, and versatility in one machine, the K2 Plus combo delivers. It's an investment that pays off in both speed and quality. And finally, my number 1 pick, the Creality Sermoon D3 Pro. This is a professional-grade 3D printer released in 2025 that brings industrial-level precision and reliability into a desktop-friendly package. If you're looking for a powerful, enclosed, and plug-and-play printing experience, this is as good as it gets. The Sermoon D3 Pro is designed with serious makers, engineers, and small batch manufacturers in mind. It features a fully enclosed chamber with active temperature control, making it ideal for printing high-performance materials like ABS, PC, and nylon without warping or layer separation. With a generous build volume of 300x 250x 300 millimeters, this printer can handle everything from small prototypes to large functional parts. What truly sets the D3 Pro apart is its dual-gear direct drive extruder optimized for flexibility and precision. Whether you're printing TPU for wearable components or tough PLA for mechanical parts, extrusion remains smooth and consistent. Paired with its upgraded dual Z-axis and linear rail motion system, you get exceptionally smooth layer alignment, even on tall prints. Creality also included advanced features like auto bed leveling, a high-resolution HD touchscreen interface, and seamless Creality Cloud integration for remote monitoring, file uploads, and print management. It's ready out of the box, no complex assembly or calibration needed. In terms of connectivity and control, you get USB, SD card, LAN, and Wi-Fi support, giving you full flexibility based on your workspace and workflow. Bottom line, the Sermoon D3 Pro is the perfect blend of reliability, precision, and smart automation. Whether you're in a workshop, lab, or design studio, this printer offers the power and consistency needed to bring your ideas to life print after print. And that wraps up my breakdown of the best 3D printers you can buy right now in the US. Whether you're a total beginner, a passionate maker, or a professional engineer, there's something on this list that fits your needs and budget. From budget-friendly options like the Ender-3 V3 SE to industrial-grade performance with the Sermoon D3 Pro, the 3D printing scene in 2025 is looking more powerful and accessible than ever. Now it's your turn. Which one are you most excited about? Are you diving into your first 3D print or looking to upgrade your setup with the latest tech? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're working on or planning to create. If this video helped you, do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you don't miss out on more hands-on gear guides and real-world tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.